What if your laptop could think faster, work smarter, and make you unstoppable? HP just launched their EliteBook, ProBook, and OmniBook AI Copilot Plus PCs in the US today, and they're packed with Intel, AMD, and Snapdragon chips that bring AI to your fingertips. This is the future of productivity. Let's dive into why these laptops are trending and how they can level up your game. Announced on April 26, 2025, HP's new Copilot Plus PCs are stealing the spotlight. Starting at just $1,199, these machines are built for everyone: professionals, creators, and everyday users. With on-device AI capabilities, they're redefining what a laptop can do. Let's break it down. HP's EliteBook, ProBook, and OmniBook series are powered by the latest Intel Core Ultra 200V, AMD Ryzen AI 300, and Qualcomm Snapdragon X processors. Each comes with a dedicated neural processing unit delivering 40 to 55 trillion operations per second. That's serious AI muscle. The EliteBook 8 and 6 models are designed for business pros. The ProBook 4 is a budget-friendly workhorse, while the OmniBook lineup, including the Ultra 14 and X Flip 14, is perfect for creators and multitaskers. These laptops run Microsoft's Copilot Plus features like Recall for instant file retrieval and Co-Create for AI-assisted design, all processed locally for speed and privacy. Why are these laptops blowing up, you ask? It's all about productivity. The HP AI Companion acts like your own personal assistant, analyzing files and answering questions offline. No internet needed. Poly Camera Pro makes video calls pro level with auto framing and noise cancellation, perfect for remote work or streaming. Posts on X are buzzing, with users calling these PCs the ultimate work-from-anywhere machines. The OmniBook Ultra 14, with its 3K OLED display and AMD's 55 TOPS NPU, is a creator's dream for video editing and graphic design. Plus, sustainability is a win. HP uses 50% recycled aluminum and eco-friendly packaging, earning EPEAT Gold and Energy Star certification. HP's betting big on AI PCs, and they're not alone. Sources predict that AI PCs will dominate 50% of the market in just 2 to 3 years. These laptops aren't just gadgets, they're tools to work smarter, create faster, and stay secure. Whether you're a freelancer editing videos, a professional crushing spreadsheets, or a student juggling assignments, there's an HP Copilot Plus PC for you. With features like Wolf Pro security and up to 22 hours of Netflix streaming, they're built for work and play. So why wait? Head to HP's website or your favorite retailer now to grab your EliteBook, ProBook, or OmniBook AI Copilot Plus PC. Drop a comment. Which model are you eyeing? Or have you tried Copilot Plus yet?